Okay, let's try it as it's written in the Rise Up Singing in the key of D. Over in the meadow, in the pond, in the sun, lived an old mother duck and her little duck one. Quack, said the mother, we quack, said the one. So they quacked and were happy in their pond in the sun. I don't love that arrangement, so let's also try this one to see if we like it better. It's also in the key of D. Over in the meadow, in the sand, in the sun, lived an old mother duck and her little duck one. Quack, said the mother, I quack, said the one, and they quacked and were happy in their pond in the sun. It's a little better, so if you want to play it in the key of D, those are two different options for you, but let's also explore it in the key of C, which is my preference. Let's try it out in the key of C. I'm going to do an easier version than C first, and then we'll do a slightly more sophisticated version after that. So starting on that C. Over in the meadow, in the sand, in the sun, lived an old mother turtle and her little turtle one. Dig, said the mother, I dig, said the one. So they dug all day in the sand, in the sun. Here's another one in the key of C that just has some more chord changes, so it's a little bit more ornamented than that previous version. Over in the meadow, in the sand, in the sun,